In 2022, if you want to become a full stack developer, then you should watch this reel till end. Don't confuse yourself with all the technologies and all the frameworks that you hear around. Just focus on these things. For front-end, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can pick any one framework for CSS, be it Bootstrap or Tailwind. There's so many others as well. In front-end, you should have an understanding of core JavaScript because you have to deal with DOM elements, which is HTML tags. You will have to manipulate them using JavaScript, and that is required. For backend, I would recommend Node.js because then you can create that backend as well in JavaScript. But if you want to learn any other programming language, go with Python. You can also create REST services using Python or C# or Java. There are so many other languages. Pick whatever you like. When it comes to database, again, there are so many options. You can go with RDBMS or a NoSQL database. I would recommend NoSQL database. Pick MongoDB, and it's available on cloud as Cloud Atlas service. Apart from this, you should have a good understanding of how HTTP request and response works, what are the different types of request and response, what is JSON, how JSON handling is done. These are very important aspects. And it will be very good if you also know a little bit about Linux operating system.